Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Troubleshooting your aircon if not blowing cold air. Make sure the thermostat is set to cool. On most occasions, you do need to exert yourself much to fix an aircon that is not blowing cool air. Inspect circuit breaker box. Clean dirty aircon filters. Check if there's ice buildup in the aircon.
Take our lead.
Step 1. Inspect your condenser coils and surrounding area. Make sure the thermostat and the AC unit are both turned off. Step 2. Clean debris from unit. Hint. Use a coil brush. Step 3. Straighten out the coil fins. Step 4. Clean coils with foaming condenser coil cleaner. Step 5. Rinse away the coil cleaner with your hose.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.